Lesson: Theoretical Approaches to Ethical AI. Theoretical approaches to ethical AI are fundamental in understanding how artificial intelligence systems can align with human values, norms, and ethical principles. These approaches are essential, particularly in the context of enhanced cybersecurity, where AI technologies play a critical role in protecting sensitive information and maintaining digital integrity. Ethical AI is not only important for technological advancement, but also for ensuring that AI systems operate in ways that are fair, transparent, and beneficial to society. One of the primary theoretical approaches to ethical AI is consequentialism, which evaluates the morality of an action based on its outcomes. In the context of AI, this approach involves designing systems that maximize positive consequences and minimize negative ones. For instance, in cybersecurity, an AI system might be developed to prioritize the protection of user data, thereby preventing breaches and ensuring privacy. Consequentialism requires a thorough analysis of potential outcomes, making it crucial to assess the risks and benefits associated with AI technologies comprehensively. This approach is supported by the utilitarian principle, which advocates for actions that promote the greatest good for the greatest number of people. Another significant theoretical approach is deontology, which focuses on adherence to rules and duties rather than outcomes. Deontological ethics hold that certain actions are inherently right or wrong, regardless of their consequences. Applying this to AI, developers must ensure that their systems adhere to ethical guidelines and standards, such as fairness, accountability, and transparency. For example, an AI system used in cybersecurity should be designed to respect user rights and operate transparently, ensuring that users are aware of how their data is being used and protected. Deontological principles emphasize the importance of ethical AI development processes that adhere to established norms and regulations. Virtue ethics offers another perspective, emphasizing the character and intentions of the individuals involved in AI development. This approach suggests that ethical AI systems are a reflection of the virtues of their creators, such as honesty, integrity, and responsibility. In the realm of cybersecurity, this means that developers must embody these virtues in their work, creating AI systems that are trustworthy and reliable. Virtue ethics highlights the role of moral character in ethical decision-making, suggesting that the integrity of developers is crucial in ensuring the ethical behavior of AI systems. The theory of care ethics, which emphasizes the importance of relationships and care in ethical decision-making, also provides valuable insights into ethical AI. This approach advocates for the consideration of the needs and well-being of all stakeholders affected by AI technologies. In cybersecurity, care ethics would involve designing AI systems that prioritize the safety and security of users, considering the potential impacts on individuals and communities. Care ethics underscores the importance of empathy and compassion in AI development, ensuring that systems are designed with a focus on human well-being. Lastly, the concept of distributive justice provides a framework for evaluating the fairness of AI systems in terms of the distribution of benefits and burdens. This approach emphasizes the need for equitable access to AI technologies and the fair distribution of their advantages and disadvantages. In cybersecurity, this means ensuring that AI-driven security measures do not disproportionately benefit or harm specific groups. For example, AI systems should be designed to protect the data of all users equally, regardless of their socioeconomic status or geographical location. Distributive justice calls for the creation of AI systems that promote social equity and address potential biases and disparities. Statistics and real-world examples further illustrate the importance of these theoretical approaches. For instance, a study by the Pew Research Center found that 58% of Americans believe that it is important for AI systems to make ethical decisions. This statistic highlights the public's concern about the ethical implications of AI and underscores the need for robust ethical frameworks in AI development. Additionally, the case of the Compass algorithm, which was found to exhibit racial bias in predicting criminal recidivism, demonstrates the potential consequences of failing to incorporate ethical considerations into AI systems. This example underscores the importance of ensuring that AI systems are designed and implemented in ways that are fair and just. Integrating these theoretical approaches into the development and deployment of AI systems in cybersecurity involves several practical steps. First, developers must conduct thorough ethical assessments during the design phase, considering the potential consequences of their systems and ensuring that they adhere to ethical guidelines. This includes evaluating the potential impacts on different stakeholders and addressing any potential biases or disparities. Second, transparency and accountability must be prioritized. This involves making the decision-making processes of AI systems understandable to users and ensuring that there are mechanisms in place for holding developers accountable for their system's actions. For example, developers can provide clear documentation and explanations of how their AI systems work, as well as establish protocols for addressing any ethical concerns that arise. Third, ongoing monitoring and evaluation are essential. AI systems must be continuously assessed to ensure that they operate ethically and that any unintended consequences are identified and addressed promptly. This can involve regular audits, user feedback, and collaboration with external experts to ensure that AI systems remain aligned with ethical principles. Finally, fostering a culture of ethical awareness within organizations is crucial. This involves providing training and education for developers and other stakeholders on ethical principles and the importance of ethical AI. Encouraging open discussions about ethical issues and promoting a commitment to ethical behavior can help ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in ways that are consistent with ethical values. In conclusion, the theoretical approaches to ethical AI provide valuable frameworks for ensuring that AI systems align with human values and ethical principles. By incorporating consequentialism, deontology, virtue ethics, care ethics, and distributive justice into the development and deployment of AI systems, developers can create technologies that are fair, transparent, and beneficial to society. Real-world examples and statistics underscore the importance of these approaches, highlighting the need for robust ethical frameworks in AI development. By prioritizing ethical considerations, fostering transparency and accountability, and promoting a culture of ethical awareness, we can ensure that AI technologies contribute positively to the field of cybersecurity and beyond.